Hello guys, welcome back to TLN app. For today's video, here going to show you how to use Partiful. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're wondering how to exactly use the platform or the app here, so this one is really easy. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to the official webpage, which is going to be partiful.com. So if you want to use this via your web browser, so let's go and click on login at the top right here. And in the next page, what we need to do is we just need to log into our account. So let's go and wait for it to load up. Now from here, you need to enter your mobile number. So in this case, let's go ahead and enter our mobile number here. Now a verification code will be sent to your SMS or your phone here or via WhatsApp. So just wait for it. And basically, you want to verify your self here. By the way, it might ask you to do a short CAPTCHA. So you can go and click on send with SMS or send with WhatsApp. So either ways here. Let's go and do this. Now from here, you need to provide some information. Like for example, what's your name? Let's go ahead and provide that and hit on continue. Now, in the next page, you could go and start creating your events. Now, in this case, in the event section, you have 4 options. So you have an incoming event option here that you can set up. You also have an hosting event, open invite, or an attended event here. Now, in this case, let's go ahead and create a upcoming event here. Let's go ahead and click on the new event button. And from here, you just need to provide some details. So by the way, you could choose from the available templates here if you want to use like specific designs like holidays from TikTok, birthdays, elegance. So for example, let's go and choose holiday. And maybe I want to use this design here. Let's go and click on it. Now from here, you could go ahead and add whichever title you want here. The font, you can set the date for it. Like for example, let's go and set this for tomorrow. And from here, you can set the time for it. Like let's just say 7 p.m. That's good. And from here, you can go ahead and add the location. So enter the location here and also the spots. So in this case, capacity of this specific event. So for example, let's just say 20 people. So obviously, you could go ahead and basically add more. Now the cost per person here is optional, so you could go ahead and add the cost for it, like how much is going to be. Now the payment methods here, which username, Cash App, or even PayPal, and also a chip in here, so required amount. So as you can see, you have the required amount or pay what you can. Now in here we also have the links. So if you want to add links here, like for example, if you want to add a link or showcase something, add information, add playlist here. Registry, dress code, if you want to add those details, you go ahead. And also some additional description here if you want. Now there are also quick actions for the host here, like collecting information, reminders, required guest approval if you want to add those. So in this case, guest request to get on the list. Only guests you approve can see the event details. So you can go and click on confirm or cancel to add that. You could also add the image or change the image here if you want. So you can go and click on edit. You can upload your own if you click on upload here. But once you're done, you can go and click on save draft at the bottom right here. And once you've done that, you should be able to basically see how it's going to look like. Now, if you want to start inviting people, you could go and click on the invite at the bottom right here. Go ahead and click on copy link or invite via email. So whichever way you want. And you also have the option to edit this just in case that you change some details, and also the text blast here if you want to add reminders or a text blast, or in this case, you can text blast anyone or the guests that are already coming to the specific event. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to TLN app. Thank you for watching.